Today's remedy is Agnus castus, a remedy of young generation of this 21st century, who has been indulged so much in sexual excesses, secret vices, open relationships and heartbreaks, frequent heartbreaks. And man and woman are both affected by these indulgences. Who repents over the past years that has been misspent by them. Woman and man who have been sexually indulged excessively or indulged in secret vices feel no sexual thrill after marriage. Women become frigid. Later, after confinement, there is no milk in the meme, or it ceases if it has started, or milk is scanty, or in young women there is suppressed menses, or there are uterine hemorrhages. If this is the history, there is sexual excesses or secret vices, then Agnus castus will cure these cases. Vagina relaxed and there is egg-like leukorrhea in young girls. If this is the history, it will cure it. And in man, he found himself impotent after marriage. If he had a past history of sexual excesses, secret vices and heartbreaks. He suffers from cold, relaxed genitalia, and his beautiful wife excites no erection in him. He suffers from headache, weakness of memory, suicidal thoughts, anxieties, fears, weak digestion. Even the simplest food disorders his stomach. Lot of flatulence, abdomen feels relaxed and hangs like a bag. There is constipation, night sweats. After he strains for the stool recedes back like Cilicia, Sanicula and Thuja. He feels very weak. If he exerts, that exertion makes him worse. He is unable to do any work and he finds no joy in doing anything. He is anemic, enlarged glands are there, and he is sensitive to cold and he wants to remain quiet. He had been to so many physicians who had diagnosed him neurasthenia, and Agnus castus will cure him. Now I want to relate a case that has been recently cured by Agnus castus. A boy of 21 years, there was headache, loss of appetite, depressed, very irritable, find no interest to meet anybody, to talk to anybody, sitting in his room, no interest in doing any work, very indifferent to the parents. Mother disclosed that his son has been involved with so many girls since last 3 years. He had many heartbreaks, he had involved sexually with so many girls, and secret vices was also discovered. Now you can imagine the boy of 21 years, since last 3 years he is involved in these kind of things. The whole life is there in front of him and he is in such a worse condition. So depressed, so sad, so negative in all the emotions. And then Agnus castus 30 was given. One morning dose and one evening dose for 15 days. Mother disclosed that she feels much change in his son and his behavior. So Agnus castus 200 was given. 1 dose fortnightly. After 3 doses, the boy was absolutely fine, feeling wonderful, and the mother was very happy, and she said that medicine has acted very well. This was a recent cure, and this is the era where Agnus castus will help so many young boys and young girls and will change the life absolutely if given in right time. Enough for today.